Hello, my name's Mike. I'm the owner at bestrugprices.com, and today we're doing a little video to promote our blog and our website, and also do a little review of one of the more popular hardwood companies out in the marketplace today, called Lauzon Flooring. But before I get into the review and talk a little bit about that product line, I do want to talk a little bit about Best Rug Prices and what we do. Our website, again, is bestrugprices.com, and we do reviews on floor covering. Our blog has all kind of articles on uh, carpet, hardwood, ceramic, vinyl plank, anything related to flooring. We're going to give you tips about, whether it could be buying tips, or product recommendations, just anything related to floor covering. We have some great information to share. We also do evaluations of area rugs. So if you're looking to purchase an area for a rug for your home, we recommend where you can find the best deals online. So we encourage you to check us out at bestrugprices.com. There is no charge. Everything is free, and we hope you enjoy our site. So one of the blog posts that we've recently done has been a review of Lauzon hardwood, and I wanted to show you a neat little feature that is available on their website that I think will really help save you a lot of time in your shopping experience. So let me just flip over to their website. And again, it's Lauzon Flooring. So here's what you can do. If you're shopping for wood and you go into a store, you might be a little overwhelmed at first. I mean, if you don't really know what you're looking for when you walk into a store, there's just going to be rows and rows of samples, all different kind of products, and it could be a little confusing and frustrating to not to know where to start. But with Lauzon, they have a great feature called a room visualizer, and what you can do before you even go to the store is you can upload a picture of your room and then see what it looks like with their product. So I just want to show you real quick how it works. So here's the room visualizer right here. So I'm going to click that, and then if it loads here, and so basically I'm going to just hit the get started page, and it'll take me to this screen. And so what you can do now is grab your phone and take a picture of your family room or bedroom or whatever room of your house you're looking to redo. And I just randomly picked one off the internet a couple seconds ago, so I'll load that up here real quick. And so now let's just assume that this room here is your space that you're trying to redo. So now your family room is sitting here on your computer screen, and on the left over here is all the different products. With Lauzon, they separate it out into collections. They have 3 different type of collections, and I explain what the differences are in our blog post. But let's say you want to go to the designer collection. So over here on the left is all the different hardwoods that they have in the designer collection. So I don't know, let's just pick one. Let's say you like this Blanco here. And now all of a sudden your picture switches to that floor. I mean, how cool is that? So let's say you want to go with this wheat hickory. Maybe you kind of like a darker wood. And now it switches over to that. So it's really a cool, neat function, because what you can do while you're sitting at home, you can go through the website and look at all the different products, and then plug them into your room picture, then write down the colors that you like. Maybe there's 3 or 4 samples that you really like. Then you can go to the store and ask the store to borrow those samples and take them home with you. And it's just going to save you all kind of time. So it's just a really neat feature that they have on their website. And if you're shopping for hardwood, we do think it's going to save you a lot of time and effort in your shopping experience. So anyway, that's the tip for the day. Again, our site is bestrugprices.com. And I hope you get a chance to check us out. And if you read some of our articles, please leave us a comment. We love to hear what people think. Thanks.